Good morning, students. Today we will start our next experiment, and this class is important for 4th-sem diploma electrical students. This class is also important for 4th-sem ETC students. So, students, please go through this experiment, and accordingly, you can take the observation from the video and can write down it in your copies. So, let us start the experiment. The aim of the experiment is to identify of terminals, determination of voltage regulation, ratio of a single phase transformer. So students, we will start this experiment by identifying the terminals of a single phase transformer. Mainly we will use polarity test. Now, equipments required. In this experiment, we will require a single phase transformer, a variac, a voltmeter, single core copper wire, knife, and other miscellaneous items as required. Now the specification is also written correspondingly in your screen. Now let us discuss about its theory. Transformer is a static device which performs the function of power transformation from one circuit to another circuit, and it does so in the same frequency by mutual inductance. The first coil in which the electrical energy is fed from the supply main is called the primary winding. The number of turns in the primary coil may or may not be equal to the number of turns in the secondary coil of the primary winding and secondary winding of the transformer respectively. One terminal is positive with respect to the other terminal at one instant, because we all know that during each cycle of AC, if at any instant a terminal is positive, then at the other instant the other terminal will be positive. The relative polarities of the primary and the secondary terminals at any instant must be operated in parallel. Now students, there is a circuit diagram for you, you can watch it. As you can see, there is a AC supply fed and there is a rheostat, or you can say it is a variac. So by using the variac, we are supplying a difference in voltage. Now this drawing should be very carefully drawn and neatly also. Now we will discuss about its procedure. You have to write the procedure in past tense and have to elaborate also. Connect the primary and secondary as in the diagram. Arbitrarily fix the primary winding terminal as A1 and A2 and the secondary terminal as B1 and B2. Join A1 and B1 through voltmeter. Connect A2 and B2 in phase and voltage of 230 volt to the primary. If the voltage read by the voltmeter is less than 230 volt, it is subtractive polarity and the terminal B1 is to be marked positive. And if B2 is negative, for assume polarity of A1 is positive and A2 is negative. Now students, we have left you the observation table, so you can just watch it. In the primary side we have 100 volt, secondary if we will find out 200 volt, which we will show you. Me along with Prakash sir will show you the demonstration. So if this thing happens in primary and secondary, that is 100 volt in primary and 200 volt in secondary, then the remark will be additive in nature. If suppose 150 volt and 300 volt for primary and secondary is observed, then also it is additive. If 220 and 450 are also observed, then it is additive. For subtractive, the primary will be 100, the secondary will be 0. Similarly, for any voltage in the primary, the secondary will always show you 0 volt. So it will be subtractive. There is also there is some other. Now students, we will discuss about the voltage transformation ratio. As we all know that K is equal to E2 by E1 is equal to N2 by N1 is equal to V2 by V1 and is equal to I1 by I2, where K is the known as voltage transformation ratio. When K is greater than 1, the transformation is called as step up transformer, and when K is less than 1, the transformer is called step down transformer. So we have left you a diagram so that you can know how to connect for your voltage regulation or voltage transformation ratio. You have to take the reading in your observation table, like the primary volt, secondary volt, and K is equal to V2 by V1, and you have to give the remark. You have to draw a proper conclusion, then this discussion questions will be followed. In the discussion questions, you will write what is a transformer, what are the different types of transformer, what is step up and step down transformer, what is the condition in case of an ideal transformer. So now we will demonstrate with the help of a circuit and some arrangement. Me along with Prakash sir will perform. So students, have a watch.